Hi, my name is Catherine Soto, and I'm the Vice President of Project Operations. What it means to me to be part of the Ally team is we have a limitless mindset. That means that there is nothing that Ally cannot do. Our team is focused on finding solutions. When any challenges come about, we're always looking to figure out exactly how we can provide a solution to our clients or resolve any issues. We've been a company that, even through all the challenges that we see out there with the supply chain issues or logistics issues, that has not stopped us, and it won't. We will continue to deliver to our clients and work around the clock to make sure that we are meeting the delivery dates and everything that our clients require. For project operations, it's really what we do is we continue the promise of what the salesperson did, and that is to make sure that we focus on the client experience and continue to find solutions, work together as a team. For project operations, our focus is to provide the best solutions for our clients and to work around any challenges that come around. Ultimately, our goal is to provide the best experience for our clients and work together to deliver their projects.